Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative product that's sure to enhance your cycling experience, the Vcwtty Smart Bike Taillight. We've got a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Vcwtty Smart Bike Taillight is not just your average bike light. This advanced tail light combines safety and convenience features, making it a must-have for any cyclist. It offers wireless turn signals, a powerful audio warning system, and even a virtual lane projection to ensure you're seen and heard on the road. Let's start with one of its standout features, the advanced optical projection. This technology casts vivid yellow turn arrows onto the pavement behind you, creating a virtual safety boundary. This is especially crucial for night commuters, food delivery riders, urban cyclists navigating busy intersections, and anyone riding in low-visibility conditions like rain or fog. By alerting drivers to your turn intent, it significantly reduces the risk of side collisions. Next up, we have the Audible Alert feature. The Vcwtty Smart Bike Tail Light emits a powerful beep of up to 120 decibels every time you activate the turn signal. What sets this tail light apart is that the sound comes from the light itself, not just the handlebar remote. This means that vehicles behind you and pedestrians at crosswalks can hear your turn intent, enhancing your safety. Plus, it serves as a reminder for you to switch off the signal after turning, so you're not left blinking unnecessarily. The wireless control is another highlight. The minimalist 3-button remote allows you to activate turn signals and cycle through 5 lighting modes with just one press. There's no complicated setup, simply power on the tail light, and the remote connects automatically. It's designed for durability, too, with a weatherproof remote that can withstand rainy commutes, so you can keep your hands on the bars and eyes on the road. One of the most convenient features is the USB-C fast charge capability. No more fumbling around with outdated micro USB cables. This modern port is compatible with any standard cable you already own. You can expect up to 16 hours of runtime per charge across its various lighting modes. And with an IP65 weatherproof rating, this tail light can handle heavy rain, road spray, and dust, making it perfect for tough cycling conditions. The Vcwtty Smart Bike Tail Light is designed to fit a wide range of bikes. Whether you ride a road bike, mountain bike, hybrid bike, gravel bike, folding bike, commuter e-bike, or even an electric scooter, this tail light has you covered. The high-tensile silicone strap secures the light to any cylindrical seat post up to 1.6 inches in diameter, and it fits the remote on any round handlebar up to 1.8 inches. Best of all, installation is tool-free and can be done in just 60 seconds. Simply wrap, click, and ride. So, who is this product suitable for? It's perfect for commuters, delivery riders, casual cyclists, and anyone who values safety while riding. If you often find yourself cycling in low-light conditions or urban environments, this tail light can significantly enhance your visibility and alert others to your presence. In practical use cases, imagine navigating a busy street at night or during inclement weather. The ground lane projection will guide drivers and pedestrians alike, while the Audible Alert ensures they're aware of your movements. Whether you're making a left turn at an intersection or simply riding home after a late shift, the Vcwtty Smart Bike Tail Light is there to keep you safe and visible. In conclusion, the Vcwtty Smart Bike Tail Light is an impressive blend of visibility, safety, and convenience for cyclists of all kinds. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe